Question 1. Multiply 3.4 times 10 to the power of minus 5 by 7.1 times 10 to the power of 8 and leave the answer in standard form. Solution. Here we have the two numbers that we are going to multiply. We have to bring together 3.4 and 7.1. Then we have the part containing base 10. If you multiply from here, you have 24.14. Then from the multiplication law of indices, you have to add the powers from here. You have it in this form. For this part to be in standard form, the decimal point must be between 2 and 4. So if you move the point backward once, you have to multiply it by 10 to the power of 1. When you are moving the decimal point backward in standard form, the power is positive. You add from here, you have this result. Again, we have to simplify these two terms by adding the powers under the multiplication law of indices, and you have these results. The correct option is C. You have it here. Question 2. Given that set P is equal to P such that 1 is less than P less than 20, where P is an integer, and set arrow equal to arrow such that 0 less than equal to arrow less than equal to 25, where arrow is a multiple of 4. Find P intersection arrow. You have solution. This is set P. From the given range, you have to list the element in set P between 1 and 20. Considering the strict symbol of inequality, 1 and 20 are not inclusive. You have from 2 to 19. Set arrow, you are to list the elements between 0 and 25 inclusive, but must be multiple of 4. So from 0 to 25, you list the numbers that are multiples of 4. That is set arrow. Then P intersection arrow is the set that is formed from the elements that are common to both sets. If you check the elements in the two sets carefully, 4 is common, 8 is common, 12 is common, and 16 is common. And that is option B. That is the correct option. Question 3. The first term of an arithmetic progression AP is 2 and the last term is 29. If the common difference is 3, how many terms are in the AP? Solution. In an AP, the first term is denoted by A. So A is equal to 2. The last term is the same as the nth term, that is 29. The common difference D is equal to 3. And the number of terms is unknown. You have to recall that in an AP, the last term that is equal to the nth term is equal to A plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket close times the common difference D. You have to replace the given terms except n that we are looking for. You expand from here. You have this result. You take 2 and minus 3. That will give minus 1. So we have 29 equal to 3n minus 1. Transfer this term to the left hand side. You have this result. 30 is equal to 3n. Divide both sides by 3. Therefore, n is equal to 10. The correct option is C. Question 4. Express in index form log s base a plus log y base a equal to 3. Solution. You have the given problem. In order to express in index form, first we need to simplify the left hand side using addition law of logarithm, which states that logarithm of numbers to the same base when added, when you add the logarithm of numbers to the same base, the numbers are multiplied. So we have log s y base a equal to 3. In order to have the result in index form, this log term needs to go. So we have to transform this expression to something like this. You have it from here. Log sy base a equal to log a base a. Then 3 becomes power in this form. Log base a will remove log base a. What you have remaining is a cube equal to sy. The correct option is D. Question 5. Simplify bracket open 2p minus q bracket close square minus bracket open p plus q bracket close to the power of 2, that is square. Solution. We simplify by applying difference of two squares. You have expression such as a square minus b squared. When factorized, you have this result. Back to the given problem, comparing this to this we are working with, it simply means you replace a with 2p minus q and you replace b with p plus q. If we come back here, so this is a, the minus sign will follow, then this is b. Back to the second bracket, this is a, you have the plus sign, then you have b. Let's open the bracket from here using the minus sign. You have 2p minus q minus p. Minus times plus is minus, then you have q. You also open the bracket from here precisely using the plus sign. You have 2p minus q plus p plus q. You add like terms respectively. You have p minus 2q. From here, minus q plus q is 0. So we have 2p plus p, that is 3p. The answer can also be written as 3p bracket open p minus 2q. That is option A.